We found these at HEB. They are called Mogu Mogu something, and you have to chew them, whatever is inside. We're going to try pineapple, strawberry, what is this one? Melon, and mango.
Yes.
So the girls are going to try them and let me know what they think. Out of the four, out of them, which one do you think is the best flavor?
Strawberry.
Maya, which one do you think is the best?
Mango.
Okay, so now it's up for me to try all four of them and pick which one is the best and rank them. So I'm about to try the strawberry. There's something there you guys too. Strawberry. I already had the mango. This is hidden. This is why I got this one. Very good. Wait, that was pineapple. Pineapple says pineapple-y, but mango my favorite. Because mango has the right amount of sweet and chewy.
Yes.
And then melon,
Yes.
we don't see.
It kind of tastes like nail polish.
It do kind of taste like nail polish.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
I say the winner out of these is definitely going to be the mango.
Yes.
So, mango is the winner. We all agree. If you raise your hand if you think mango the winner. And that's it. Period.